Our latest project is landscaping at Ullmann Wealth Partners in Ponte Vedra Beach. Join us for a behind-the-scenes view of this high-end project with Mike.
Morning, it's Mike Oakes with Rockaway. We're down here at the Marsh Landing, sprucing up the neighborhood. They have their pavers redone, they have the charcoal and the glacier blend, so we gave them the salt and pepper granite. That's what we're installing now. We're gonna put in some bender board with a white border, marble border throughout, so it kind of contrasts with the charcoal. We did this super awesome little medium urn back here. Has a aquascape, aqua basin, 45 aqua basin down the bottom, self-contained pump, very low maintenance. If you're looking into some water feature stuff, this is just a little bit of a sample of what we could do. Again, very low maintenance, comes with lighting. We have everything hooked up to transformer that's in the back, that's low voltage. Gave them a little bit of color throughout, so we have the crotons, pygmy date palms. We gave them a little color of abricola through the front. The hibiscus behind me with some red sisters, just kind of give them a little bit of pop of color from the windows, from their viewing looking out, to kind of enhance the water feature. Ullmann Financial, so this is down in Marsh Landing. Just check it out, check them out, come on down. Anything you need, you remember, waterscapes, maintenance, irrigation, carpentry. And also remember, we do the commercial and residential, so just give us a shout and we'll figure it out.